Good morning, students. Today we start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, log on to logo. If you want to give instruction to a computer, you need to learn the language that a computer understands. A computer does not understand the language that you speak. It has its own language. So logo is one of the language that computer understand. Basically, with the help of logo, we can draw a picture, do the calculation and print a text. It is a computer language. The full form of logo is logic oriented, graphic oriented. So with the help of this video, we learn what is logo, what are the different screen or different part of logo. Then there are some terms of logo that also we learn with the help of this video. After that, we complete the question answer session. So just watch this video.
Children, how do you express your feelings to your family and friends? Through language, isn't it? Language is the medium to talk or write. You may speak different languages like Hindi, English or any other regional language. But to talk to any other person, you need to use a common language, which he or she understands. In the same way, if you want to give instructions to a computer, you need to learn the language that a computer understands. A computer does not understand the language that you speak. It has its own language. Let us first start with logo, a simple language. Logo is one of the easiest computer languages. The full form of logo is logic-oriented, graphic-oriented. We can use logo to draw pictures, do calculations, print the text. Who he is? He is Professor Seymour Papert. Logo was introduced by him. Alright, let me tell you how to start logo. To open MSW logo, follow these steps. Click on the Start button. Select all programs. Click on Microsoft Windows logo. Select Microsoft Windows logo. The opening screen of the MSW logo program will appear. Logo screen is split into two parts: Main screen and Commander window. Main screen is the main window to draw pictures. Here, you will find a triangle called turtle. Commander window is the smaller area under the main screen, used for typing commands. We can run the commands by pressing the Enter key. Commander window is divided into two sections: Command input box and recall list box. Command input box is the white bar where you type the commands. You can execute the commands by pressing the Enter key or by clicking the Execute button. Recall list box is the gray section that displays the list of all commands that are executed. It also displays messages which appear as a result of these commands. It keeps a record of instructions you type into the input box. Now, let me tell you that logo software can be downloaded free of cost from the website http://www.softronics.com. Students, let us quickly recall the full form of logo. Now, let us talk about logo terms. Turtle. The turtle is a small triangle structure that obeys only logo commands. It has two parts. The pointed top of the turtle is known as the head and the bottom part of it is known as the tail. The turtle moves on the main screen and draws the figure according to the commands we give in the input box. Primitives are the logo commands. They instruct the logo turtle to draw on the screen. The turtle obeys the primitives when we press the enter key. While typing the primitive, always leave a blank space between the primitive and the number of steps. We can type the primitive in capital or small letters. For example, forward, back, left, right, etc. When we write primitives one after another, this set of primitives is known as program. Let's have a discussion on primitive and program. Students, we shall now discuss how to enter commands in Logo. To type a command in Logo, click in the command input box. Type in the command and press the enter key. The command goes into the computer's memory and gets executed. Forward primitive makes the turtle move forward by the given number of steps. The short form for forward is FD. Let us try. Type forward or FD. Press the space bar key. Type in the number of steps. Press the enter key. For example, type FD 100. Enter. The turtle will move 100 steps ahead and draw a line. Remember, you need to give a single space between the command and the number. Back primitive moves the turtle backward by the given number of steps. Look at the head of the turtle, which remains pointed up while it moves backward. The primitive back can also be written as BK. Let us try. Type back or BK. Press the space bar key. Type in the number of steps. Press the enter key. For example, type BK 50, enter. This will move the turtle backward by 50 steps. The right command turns the turtle head towards the right side, that is, in the clockwise direction. It needs the number of degree to know the angle of turn. The short form of right is RT. Let us try. Type RT 90 and press the enter key. The head of the turtle turns right by 90 steps. To draw a square, type the primitives as given. For example, FD 100, enter. RT 90, enter. FD 100, enter. RT 90, enter. FD 100, enter. RT 90, enter. FD 100, enter. Home, enter. Let's see some more examples. Home RT 45, RT 60, RT 90, RT 135, RT 180. Okay, let's know more. You can also click on Execute button on the right side of the Commander window to run the command. Students, note that we can move the turtle from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Right 180 would make the turtle take a half turn. The left command turns the head of the turtle towards the left side, that is, anti-clockwise direction. The short form of left is LT. Let us try. Type left or LT. Press the spacebar key. Type the number of units. Press the enter key. For example, LT 30, enter. FD 100, enter. LT 90, enter. FD 100, enter. LT 90, enter. FD 100, enter. LT 90, enter. FD 100, enter. Let us look at some more examples of LT command. Home, LT 45, LT 60, LT 100, LT 180. Now let us understand about home. The turtle appears in the center of the screen, which is its home position, from where the turtle starts and moves around the screen. We can bring the turtle back to the center position using the home primitives. The primitive is not followed by any number. Let us try FT100 enter. RT90 enter. FT100 enter. RT90 enter. BK40 enter. Home enter. Observe that the turtle draws a line as it goes back home. It does not erase the lines already drawn. Alright, let me tell you about how to close logo. The by primitive brings you out of logo. Let us try. By, enter. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Logo is a computer language used to draw pictures, do calculations and print the text. Logo screen is split into two parts, main screen and commander window. The turtle is a small triangular structure that obeys logo commands. Logo commands are known as primitives. The set of primitives is known as program.
Okay student, hope you understand this chapter. Now we start a question answer session.
Fill in the blanks.
So in the fill in the blanks there are some hints given to the right side in your textbook after the fill in the blanks question. First is logo is a dash language. So answer for the fill in the blanks, logo is a computer language. Next question, we can use logo to dash and dash. So we can use logo to draw a picture and do calculation. Do calculation. Next question, the dash command will turn the turtle towards left by the 90 degree. So LT90 command is turn the turtle towards the left by 90 degree. Next question, always specify the number of dash next to the forward or a back command. So the answer is steps. With the help of steps we can go to the next or forward or a backward. Next question, a set of a primitive written one after another is called. So the set of a primitive written one after another is called as a program. Next,
match the following.
So in the match the following, logo was developed by the Seymour Papert. Two parts of a turtle having a head and a tail. By means the exit a logo. Forward means FD and left means LT. Next,
Application based questions.
so the application based question, first question is, the teacher has asked Priya to turn the turtle right by 90 degree by drawing a square. Which command she should use? So she want to turn the turtle to the right side 90 degree. So we use RT90 command. Next question, Tushar has been asked to run a logo command without using a keyboard. How can he complete this task? So if you are not using a keyboard, you can use a execute button on the logo screen. Next question.
Multiple choice questions.
So in the multiple choice question, the logo command are called. So basically it is called as primitive. Next, the dash key execute the command. So the enter key will execute the command. Key is enter key and button execute button. The shape of the turtle is triangle. The white bar where you type the command is known as command input box.
Answer in one word or one sentence.
So the answer for first is, what is the full form of logo? The full form of logo is logic oriented, graphic oriented. Next question, what are the part of the logo screen? So there are two parts of a logo screen, that is the main screen and commander window. Next question, what is the home position of the turtle? So basically center of the screen. Is the main position of the turtle. Next is, which command is given to make the turtle take a half turn? So right 180 command is used to give the right 180 command is used to give the half turn to the turtle. What should be given between the primitive and the number of steps? So you have to give a single space. To the
Answer the following.
first one, what is a turtle? So turtle is a small triangular structure that obey only logo commands. Next question, how will you execute a command in a logo? So by pressing the enter key or by clicking execute button. I am writing the answer for first. Small triangular structure that obey only logo commands. And the second answer is by pressing the enter key or by clicking execute button. Now next question, what do you mean by a program? So when we write a primitive one after another, this set of primitive is known as a program. The set of a primitive, the set of are known as program. Next question, what do you call the gray section that display the list of all commands? So the gray section is called as a recall list box. Next, last question, what is the function of a home command? So basically home command function is turtle appear in the center of the screen, which is its home position. So the home command function is, it will appear the turtle on the center of the screen, and from here the turtle start move around the screen. Means what is the function of the command? With the help of home command, turtle can start and move around the screen. So you have to write that with the help of home command, the turtle starts and move around the screen. Okay, in this way you have to complete your question answers in your textbook and notebook. If you getting problem, if you not understand any concept, you can watch this video again. If you have any query, any doubt, you can write in comment box. Thank you.